What's up everyone, I'm Tankian the Man and welcome to another video about the tankian desk. And once again I'm on the future. I gotta say I didn't realize and I didn't make any intro for this video, so I'm making it right now. You guys will see me working on the legs. As you can see, you'll see me working on the paint job, you know, all that stuff that I gotta be done, and it's going really well. I'm really happy with the result. But with no more to say, let's see how things went these 2 weeks.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
So let's make a quick briefing, a quick update. You guys saw me painting the desk in a darker color, in a, you know, dark blue, maybe something like that. But I decided to paint the desk again, mostly because this color is what I wanted. So as you guys can see, I've been working on this leg and placing these LEDs on it. But as you guys can see, pretty cool, I guess. I like it. You know, I've been gluing and using this LED controller from Cooler Master just to see if everything is still working properly. So now that you guys saw how everything came together to this stage, the painting, the legs, you know, the LEDs, everything came together really well, and I'm glad that I chose to repaint the case, because this is the color I want. The first color was too dark, and too dark, you know, it was kind of dark blue and I didn't like the color. So going for this gunmetal is what I want, and you know, it's my personal taste that kind of matters on this section. So I really like how the paint job ended up. I still have tons of stuff to do, as I said, but things are getting together really well and I'm really happy with that. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button, maybe consider subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and guys, I'm Tankian the Man, and see you on the next video.